This video is going to teach you how to play a simple part from We Will Rock You by Queen. Here's what this easy riff sounds like. Let's have a go at learning that together. First of all, let's start by finding C position. Find the two black notes in the middle of your piano and then put your thumb on C, which is the white note to the left. Then you can use your other fingers to place on the white notes next door. So now we should have finger 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This song uses the finger numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. First of all, we start with finger 4, then finger 3, down to finger 2, down to finger 1, and then we end with finger 2 2 times. So it should sound like this. Let's try that together and I'll count you into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Two more times. Last time now. Great job!